Well, I just got to gate 85. It's 12:43 p.m. I'm standing by for the United flight to Washington National. I just happened to look out the window, and there goes the United Boeing 747 that I came in on from Seoul, being towed away from Gate 96, and who knows where it will be going next. N121UA. I don't know if that will be the aircraft used for the final domestic flight November 7th to Honolulu. If not, then that aircraft is probably being towed to maintenance hangar in preparation for shipment to the desert storage yard, or graveyard rather, the airplane graveyard. Here is the Boeing 757-300 to Washington National. It is booked full. There's myself and one other standby waiting to see if there are any no-shows to be able to get on board. There's also a flight to Dulles leaving around the same time that's also booked full, and that I think I'm number 14 on the standby list for that, and number 2 for National. If these don't work out, the next Washington flight is at 4:45 to Dulles, and then if all else fails, there's a 5:30 to Dulles that is totally wide open. Only something like 34 customers booked on the entire aircraft.